So hey guys, welcome back to the new video. This video is all about the modifications done on the RC200. So previously it had clip-ons, the race clip-ons, which is very aggressive. Long rides was a very pain in the hands actually. So we decided to mod a little bit. So right now what you are seeing is the Apache's 200 RTR clip-ons. Actually it has raised like 10 centimeters above, and ride quality has increased, and the comfort has actually increased a lot. So my friend Lokesh has done this mod. So I'm gonna tell you guys how much the cost and everything, and what all the things we did on this bike. So let's go ahead. So this is Apache's 204V handle, which we bought from the TVS showroom. So this handle costed me like 3,800 rupees. So this one. So the total modification includes more than 9,000 actually, but yes, it needs a lot of lathe works and everything. The handlebar risers, yes, the fork bolts which connects to the clip-on needs to be modified. So we have done that also. The total like modifications took me like more than 2-3 days because of the lathe works and everything. So finally we have made it, so you can actually check it out. The finishing, everything has come out really well. So this modification requires a lot of experience. So the steel braided lines has to be modded, since the RC's steel braided line is little shorter, and we actually need to go for the longer one. So we welded it actually. This one is wrapped with the thread actually here. So I'm gonna show you guys how it actually looks in the pic. So coming to the next point, we have the accelerator cable, which has also changed. We use the Royal Enfield accelerator cable, which cost you like 350 rupees, and yes, the accelerator has to be changed, or else the stock RC200s won't be suitable. So that is the one more mod, and the other mod is like the clutch cable has to be modeled again here. So we have taken the naked models Duke 200's clutch cable, which cost you like 450 rupees. So even this has been modified. You can check it out. Actually this looks pretty good than the previous one. So this one is done now. We had two ideas actually, the flat handlebar and the clip-ons. So we actually wanted the clip-on style only, not the flat handlebar. So that's the reason we went to this modification. You can check it out how the bike actually looks like. You don't feel much difference. You have the stock RC200's look. The one more thing is like this adjuster, like a small ring, should also be done to the lathe works. So that has also been done, the two side, both the sides. So this requires a lot of lathe work actually. So it's done now. I'm gonna show you guys by sitting on the bike how it actually looks like. My friend Lokesh will sit on the bike and show you guys how the position is actually. Okay, good go bro. So this is how the bike actually looks like. Remove the stand and sit, no? So this is how the sitting position is actually. We have also rode the bike like more than 100 kilometers ride. The ride is like very comfortable actually. Then the no wrist pain, no back pain, no shoulder pains, nothing. Check it out. The turning radius and the handlebars touching the windscreen, there is no issues. It is very comfortable actually. So you can check it out. upright position. So that's all in this video, guys. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. More videos will be coming up. So if you need any help, you can leave a comment down, so we will help you guys to do such modifications. So thank you so much. Bye bye.